Today, you're going to play a game called Circle and Stars to practice putting equal groups of items together. Let me model for you how to play. Your first step is to create a rectangle with 8 equal sections in your math notebook. This will be like your game board. Then, in the very first section, you're going to write your name, your partner's name, and then difference. This is how you'll calculate the score at the end. Make sure your sections are large enough for you to write in. All right, now let's play the game. You need a die for this game. If you don't have a physical one, I also linked a virtual one on the slide before. You roll the die, and I got 3. The first roll is the number of circles that you draw in your first box. So I got 3, so I draw 1, 2, 3. Then my partner is going to do the same thing on their game board. I'm going to roll the die again, and I got 4. My second roll is how many stars are in each circle. So there's going to be 4 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4 in each circle. My next step is to write a multiplication equation to represent this drawing. So since I have 3 groups of 4, my multiplication equation is 3 times 4. And I can find the total by doing many different strategies. One of them is just counting. Another one could be skip counting. So let's try that one. We're going to do 4, 8, 12. So I have 12 total stars. My partner is doing the same thing. After I play 7 total rounds, and I'll use my little sections to do all 7 rounds, I find the total number of stars. And I could use all of my math notebook extra sides to find the total. So I'd add up all of my stars, and then I'd write it in this section. And then my partner would do the same thing, and then we would find the difference. The person with the most stars is the winner. Here's where I linked a die website for you in case you don't have one at home. After you finish playing your game, be sure to move on to the right section of your learning plan. How could you represent the multiplication expression 3 times 4? So consider using words, pictures, and numbers to justify your answer in your math notebook. Have fun playing circle and stars to represent equal groups of items.